Hello friends. So today I am going to show how to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. We can say that this is a method to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So how to build a piezoelectric generator? So my project is based on a piezoelectric generator and this is a piezoelectric element. Moving on. This is the circuit design. We have a piezo element here which is connected to the diode rectifiers and which in turn also connects the switch which is connected with the capacitor and the LED. So here the mechanical energy is applied to the piezo element. So the mechanical energy here is in the form of tapping. The piezo element must be tapped and this mechanical energy gets converted into electrical energy here and the bulb glows. So now let us know how much energy is generated. The energy stored in the capacitor is given by the equation E is equal to half V square C. E is the energy, electrical energy, and V is the voltage, C is the capacitance. For our circuit, we are using 220 microfarads capacitor. When the multimeter shows 10 volts across the capacitor, the amount of energy stored is 0.011 joules. If a single tap on the piezoelectric element increases the voltage from 2 volt to 2.05 volt, the amount of energy generated for each tap is 0.000022 joules per tap. This is indeed very less, but we have a way to increase. Okay, so how much energy is this 0.000022 joules? Okay, let us take an example. A typical cell phone battery stores almost 18,000 joules of energy. If we replaced our capacitor with the cell phone battery to charge, then how long would it take to charge this battery, this cell phone battery? It would take 820 million taps, which is indeed very huge. So you would have to press this piezoelectric element or tap this piezoelectric element almost 1 billion times to charge your cell phone. But if you were to tap this piezo element at least 3 times per second, then still it would take 8.66 years to fully charge your cell phone. This is indeed very much impractical and almost it may seem impossible. But we have a way to make it practical and a possible application. So how can we make this piezoelectric generator practical? We have two ways to improve our piezoelectric generator. First thing, to use a more efficient piezoelectric material. Secondly, place the piezoelectric element where it will get pressed very rapidly. If we have a piezoelectric material that can increase the voltage across our capacitor from 2 volt to 12 volt with just a single tap, the amount of energy generated now is 0.0154 joules per tap. This is 700 times greater than before. The second choice is to place the piezoelectric element where it experiences many more deformations. The many more deformations means that many more tappings, that is very rapidly. This can be done by placing the elements under sidewalks or footpaths and roads or any other place where surface movement vibrations tap the element 10,000 times per second. If our piezoelectric element could be pressed 10,000 times per second, it would still take 22.8 hours to charge the battery. Finally, if we were to combine both the improvements, that is the first improvement is the direct increase from 2 volt to 12 volt and the second improvement is to have at least 10,000 times tapping of 10,000 times per second. So if we combine both these improvements, then our phone battery could be charged with as little as 2 minutes. So this seems very practical. So now let us see the practical demonstration. So this is the piezoelectric generator circuit. This is the switch here And this is the capacitor, that is of 220 microfarads. And here we are using the bulb, and here is the diode rectifier. And here we have placed the piezoelectric element below the shoes, so that for every tap, that is during every walking or every jogging, if a man jogs or if a man walks, then due to his mechanical energy we can produce electrical energy. So here I am showing the tapping movement of the piezoelectric generator. This is how it happens when a person walks or jogs. So now I am going to switch on the bulb. So this is how it happens. The bulb glows due to the mechanical energy that is produced by the tap. So by this piezoelectric generator, we can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy and use it for various purposes. Hence, we are making this piezoelectric generator a practical and a possible application. Thank you.